Did you know that the wrong choice of meat could spike your blood sugar levels faster than a sugary dessert? If you're living with diabetes, what you put on your plate isn't just about taste, it's about survival. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're revealing the top meats diabetics can eat to stay healthy, energized, and in control of their blood sugar. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly what to add to your grocery list and what to avoid like the plague. Let's dive in. Wait, does this mean I have to say goodbye to bacon? Don't panic just yet. Let's find out. No one. Skinless chicken breast. The protein king. Chicken breast is one of the leanest, most protein-packed meats out there, and it's perfect for diabetics looking to maintain muscle and keep hunger in check. But here's the mistake most people make. They deep fry it or drown it in sugary marinades. Instead, go for grilled, baked, or air-fried chicken with natural seasonings. Now that we've covered chicken, let's move on to a meat that's packed with flavor and nutrients, salmon. No 2. Salmon, the omega-3 superstar. Next on our list is salmon, a fatty fish that's a game changer for diabetics. Why? Because it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, it's delicious and versatile. But wait, what if you're not a fan of fish? Don't worry, we've got alternatives coming up. But trust me, salmon is worth a try. Grill it, bake it, or toss it in a salad. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your health. Speaking of alternatives, our next meat might surprise you. It's not just for bodybuilders, it's perfect for diabetics too. Can you guess what it is? No 3. Turkey, the underrated hero. Turkey isn't just for Thanksgiving. It's a year-round superstar for diabetics. Like chicken, turkey is lean, high in protein, and low in fat. But here's the kicker. It's also rich in selenium, a mineral that helps regulate your thyroid and boost your metabolism. Imagine this, a juicy turkey burger with a side of veggies. Sounds good, right? And the best part, it won't mess with your blood sugar levels. Now, who's hungry? Now, let's talk about a meat that's often misunderstood, but can be a great choice for diabetics, beef. No 4 grass-fed beef. The diabetes-friendly red meat. Wait, beef? But isn't red meat bad for diabetes? Well, it depends on the quality. Grass-fed beef is a completely different story than grain-fed beef. It's lower in unhealthy fats, higher in omega-3s, and loaded with CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, which actually improves insulin sensitivity. Pro tip: stick to lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin, and pair them with fiber-rich veggies to slow down glucose absorption. No 5. Venison, the game meat gem. Last but not least, let's talk about venison, aka deer meat. It's lean, packed with protein, and has a unique, rich flavor. Plus, it's lower in fat than most red meats, making it a great choice for diabetics. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where am I supposed to find venison? Don't worry, it's more accessible than you think. Check your local butcher or specialty stores. Trust me, it's worth the hunt. Now, before we wrap this up, I need to warn you about one type of meat you should avoid at all costs. Processed meats, like bacon, sausages, deli meats, and hot dogs, are a diabetic's worst nightmare. Why? They're loaded with sodium, preservatives, and nitrates, which can cause insulin resistance, inflammation, and even increase your risk of heart disease. Here's a scary fact. Studies show that eating processed meats regularly increases your risk of type 2 diabetes by 51%. So, next time you reach for that bacon, ask yourself, is it really worth it? So there you have it, the top meats diabetics can eat to stay healthy, and keep their blood sugar in check. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how you prepare it. Stick to grilling, baking, or roasting, and avoid frying or adding sugary sauces. Your health is in your hands, and every meal is an opportunity to make a better choice. So, what are you waiting for? Head to the grocery store, stock up on these diabetic-friendly meats, and take control of your health today.